let me introduce a new product of 3M. 3M Crystalline Black. It looks just like ordinary black heat insulating film, but our performance is far better than ordinary ones. It adopts patented multi-layer optical film and it integrates over 200 layers. It can block up to 99.9% of UV rays. The total solar energy blocking rate is up to 62%, and the infrared energy blocking rate is up to 70%. Non-metallic design, ensuring that it will not interfere with mobile phone or GPS. Based on the excellent heritage of the Crystalline series, the new Crystalline CR-BLK series can more accurately reflect the actual visible light. The reaction is more obvious. 3M film carries the brand's ingenuity and expectations. As the quality product promoted by 3M this year, it not only uses advanced technology, but also has a very reasonable price. Experience the actual protection effect. You can only know how amazing it is by seeing it with your own eyes.